What's up, guys? Christian is Tech here. Today I'll be doing a sound test on the Xmini Sam. These are the very first version. There's an updated one, but I have the first version, as you can see here. But yeah, I'll play a quick song. I won't be claiming any, I won't be monetizing this video, so please don't, flag the video for copyright. I'm just trying to show people how good these sound. So I'll be playing Bass Canyon by Flux. So here we go. As you can see, you can't hear me talking unless I put the volume down. So these things are unbelievably loud. These are amazing, and I would definitely recommend them. But here, let me put it up again. I'll show you. Also, as you can see, these are extended. If I close them shut, there won't be any bass, and they'll be just like loud. There won't be any bass, but they'll be loud. Let me show you. So as you can see there's a major difference. Also, you know what I'm gonna do for you guys right now? I am going to cut this paper and show you inside the drivers, so you guys can see how much they rattle. So give me a second here. Put that in there. They might be a little bit too big, but whatever. And we'll play a different song. We'll play. Let's see. Give me a second here. Looking through my music. Alright, this is good enough. Alright, let me get up a little bit more of a close up right here for you guys. Just look at these things fly. Right there. All like a Sunday. So as you just saw there, the papers just flew right out. Show you again. So as you can see there, another example of how loud these things are. Also, I'll play some deadmau5. I don't know. I'm just gonna play some of these so you guys can hear. Also, when it's all the way up, it does get distorted a little bit, but I mean, with all that bass, it's expected. Hear that thing move. But here. Alright, so now I'm going to play something that has lots of vocals so you guys can hear. So we'll play some Bruno Mars. Why not? Crap. You guys can hear that while I look for this song. Found it. Put those in again. You make Yeah, pretty much that is the video of the Xmini sound test. These things sound amazing. Here, um, you guys can buy it down below. I'll leave a link to the store, and you guys can purchase it there. But that's pretty much all you guys are gonna get. But these things are amazing, so I would definitely recommend them. So go ahead and go buy some. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Also, I'll be making my final review on these pretty soon. So if you guys want to get stay updated with that, you guys can hit the subscribe button down below, and you guys can click that thumbs up. So thank you so much. Peace out.